How's it going, you guys? I'm Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and today I'm going to show you around this 2024 Boston Whaler Montauk 170. This is a white hull boat with the red graphics. It's got the teak package, giving it the teak side steps as well as the ladder station. This boat's got a black bimini top over top and a galvanized single axle trailer. On the back of this boat, we've got the Mercury 115 4-stroke, giving this boat plenty of get up and go, move through the water. All right, now on the inside of this 17 Montauk, I want to show you guys right back here. We've got the jump seats, and this 17 has a seat package, which means you can remove that backrest, fold it up, pop it in the helm, or you can pop them in your rod holders and have a little backrest while you're going out in the water. Right here at your captain's seat / leaning post, move that forward so it's reversible. You can see either facing the front or the back of the boat. There's also a live well. Moving up into the helm of this boat, you got your Simrad display, JL audio head unit. You've got your toggle switches here, and your smart analog gauge. Right here to the starboard side of the helm, got a little tackle in here, little cubby hole there. On the port side of the helm, you've got your console access to your battery storage, as well as battery switches. Up front, you've got these really soft, nice seat cushions. Under these seat cushions, you've got a fish box. And under the front seat cushions, you lift it up, and in there you have your anchor storage. Right in front of the helm on this boat, you got your rocket launchers right here, which they're designed to not interfere with this bar here. Down on your seat, you also have a cooler that doubles as a fish box. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this walkthrough of this 2024 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. If you have any questions about this boat or want to come see it for yourself, come on down to MarineMax Coco or give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you, guys.